Everything about babies is so delicate, innocent, pure. It's just beautiful. I mean, be it their tiny toes kicking non-stop, impromptu smiles, even those cute little baby yawns. I still remember that angelic expression on my baby's face when I give him a nice long massage. Some babies prefer their oil massages, but mine is particular about his moisturizing lotion massage. On that note, actually, here's an important message for all you mommies out there. A baby's skin is extra delicate and loses moisture 5 times faster than an adult skin. So it's really essential to replenish that lost moisture. And there are a multitude of brands and products available in the market which focus on mildness. But I guess after a lot of research and discussions with my pediatrician and other mothers out there, I have finally found the brand that goes beyond mildness and actually focuses on restoring that lost moisture. Baby Dove. The Baby Dove Rich Moisture Baby Lotion is just what you're looking for your baby's skin. It starts soothing your dry skin right from the first use, leaving your baby's skin extra soft and delicately scented all day. And my love for lotions, I think, dates back to when I was a little child. I still remember how comforting a massage from my mom's moisturizer was. Till date, I think I still associate relaxation, rejuvenation, and calmness to a good massage. And the Baby Dove lotion has taken it a step further with for my little boy. I'm really happy about that. And look at it; it's so amazing. The packaging of it is so amazing. Of course, I'm bothered about the packaging because the product inside is going to be used on my little boy's skin. I have to be bothered about it. The cap fits so perfectly, and it smells so good. The consistency of this lotion is also just right, rather perfect actually. I mean, just a little dollop of lotion and you're done. It's enough for the entire body of the baby. You don't have to go back pouring again and again all the time. It's neither too thick nor too thin. It's just how you want it to be. And my baby sleeps like an angel after a good massage. And he completely loves it. Like mother, like son. Baby Dove Rich Moisture Baby Lotion is dermatologist and pediatrician tested. It is pH neutral and hypoallergenic, which basically means that it reduces the risks of all these allergies. And I personally feel it enriches your skin and for my baby, enhances his body fragrance too, which is great. And even though it's a perfect moisturizer, you will not believe its pricing. You will just not believe it. It is priced at 180 rupees for this 200 ml bottle, which is easily available at retail outlets and e-commerce websites like Amazon, FirstCry, all of that. So if you ask me, right now is the perfect time to go buy a bottle of Baby Dove Rich Moisture Baby Lotion. With the change in seasons and the baby's skin becoming drier and rougher, this is where this lotion is going to become your best friend. So you just spend a couple of minutes massaging your baby with this lotion and you will see that the baby's skin is more nourished, soft and protected from all these kinds of season changes. All mothers actually have this knack of finding the best thing for her baby. From my experience in baby care, every mother who's used this product will vouch for it. It's so mild yet so effective. And the best part about this product is that, it's premium quality. When you use the product, you will know it's the right product. You will feel the difference because quality speaks for itself. So all you mothers out there who've forgotten the difference between night and day and who've not had a long relaxed bath for a long time, who are on a 24/7 baby duty, hats off to you. But here's a little tip from my end. Bathe your baby in nice lukewarm water and then give him a nice relaxing massage with the Baby Dove Rich Moisture Lotion, you will be surprised to see how your baby sleeps instantly. And after that, make yourself a cup of coffee and please go treat yourself, because motherhood is quite something.